Hi, this is Venkat from LifeTech. We have formed a group on IoTech intervention named IoTech Foundation in Salem. We have Dr. Deepak, intervention radiologist, and we have cardiac thoracic vascular surgeon, Dr. Murugu Sundar Pandian, and we have Dr. Karthikeyan, vascular surgeon, and we have Dr. Ashok Nanjappa, cardiovascular surgeon. And then we had a good talk about what we are going to do it here in Salem to develop the procedures on aortic diseases. My first question goes to Dr. Murugu Sundar Pandey sir. Sir, what do you think about interspeciality team for the aortic intervention or aortic procedures?
Like many other disciplines, aortic surgery definitely needs a multidisciplinary team. So we need a cardiac surgeon, we need a cardiologist, we need a radiologist, we need an intervention, we need a vascular surgeon. Because aortic pathology does not limit to one particular space or anatomy. So we need the expertise of a team to manage the aortic problems in the best possible way.
Yes.
We know some patients require open surgery, some patients require intervention. So one specialty consultant may feel that the patient should go for open surgery.
Correct.
Another interventionist may feel patient should go for an intervention. But what is best for the patient is probably best decided by the team. So we need to have a consensus. So then patient gets the best medical care. Then we decide the appropriate whatever package. So we get support from the company as well.
Sure.
So only when we are all aligned in the same direction, we can offer the best treatment modality to the patient. So I think this is a good initiative in Salem, so that the patient need not go to another city, struggle to get, spends more, finds staying there difficult. All those problems can be overcome if the patient can get the best possible care in the same town.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next question goes to Dr. Karthikeyan, vascular surgeon. Sir, what are the possibilities to convert any open surgery into intervention or endovascular procedures? I need your thoughts, sir.
Well, it's a very difficult one to answer.
Okay, sir.
Converting any open into an intervention, first we need a backup. We need a surgeon who can open the case.
Yes.
Be it, if it is purely infrarenal or thoracoabdominal, we need a concerned specialist. We need a cardiac surgeon, we need a vascular surgeon, we need a interventionalist to back up for any eventualities. And the next thing is to have all the requisite hardwares.
Hardwares, that is important
So that,
for the
we can,
backup.
Calculate any vessel.
Yes.
And also we can even do all bailout procedures.
Correct. True.
So these are the two important. And last but not the least, we need a good intensive care team.
Intensive care team to take care of the patient after the procedure.
Yes.
It's good, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I am talking to Dr. Deepak, intervention radiologist. Sir, what is the role of radiologist in these procedures?
Yeah, I would say 4 roles. First starts with the diagnosis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is happening to the aorta? So the dissections, aneurysm, where is the aneurysm? It's thoracic or abdominal or thoracoabdominal. That is one thing. Second comes the planning.
Planning.
So if the patient goes for an endovascular treatment, the most important step is the planning.
Planning, sir, that is good.
So we have to plan. So what is the diameter of the aorta? What are the important vessels which are arising?
Landing zone.
What is the landing zone? So this is thing. Third comes the treatment part. That is the endovascular treatment part. Then fourth, I would say the expected complications during the follow-up, like endoleaks. For that, we have to diagnose by using aortograms and all. So we have to diagnose the complications which are expected during the follow-up.
That's all. Thank you, sir. Sir, last question to Dr. Ashok, sir. What is the role of CTVS in this team, sir?
So, the cardiac surgeon has a very big role. Adding to what the other team members said, and basically agreeing to them and then adding to what they said. Cardiac surgeon has a initial role in giving much needed confidence for the interventionalist to carry out the procedure. Because all these interventional procedures are not without complications.
Correct, sir.
If
We can
anything,
expect.
yes, if anything happens and if you need to open up the patient, then a cardiac surgeon can take up the tool and
Correct.
bail out and try to save the patient actually. And of course, there are some patients, especially with aortic pathologies, who can present, who would not be fit for the interventional procedure, which can be directly taken up for the open procedures,
Open
which a
procedure.
cardiac surgeon can carry out. And also, cardiac surgeon can actually help interventionalist with getting access by carrying out cut downs and all those
Cut
things.
downs.
So all these things are the role of a cardiac surgeon. Just to mention a few actually.
Your point, sir?
Can add some point on
Point on
CTVS side, sir.
Yeah. I mean, he has told all the important points. So there are areas which needs to be primarily tackled by the cardiac surgeon, and there are areas which can be managed with intervention. And more and more times we need a hybrid, a combination of
Combination. Correct,
open
sir.
plus intervention. So that is where each other's expertise comes into play.
Once two people are there, means they can take any cases like that with confidence. Am I
Exactly.
correct, sir?
Correct.
That is what we need, CTVS. Sir, can you add something, sir, from your side?
I mean, it's a comprehensive approach. Having more people to plan a procedure helps in better outcome.
True,
Both clinical and technical.
Technical.
Really, thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, sir. for-
Absolutely.